a review of speed, distance and time. When we're finding speed, distance and time, we can use the formula method or the rates method. The three formulas are here. Speed is distance divided by time. Distance is speed times time. Time is distance divided by speed. So I'll do a couple of these with the formula method and at least one with the rates method so we remember them. For example, find the speed when Tim travels 15 metres in 1.5 seconds. Formula method, speed equals distance divided by time. Write the formula. Substitute the values, 15 metres divided by 1.5 seconds. Grab your calculator, 15 divided by 1.5, 10. So the speed is 10 and we're in metres and seconds, so speed is metres per second. How far did Tina travel if she went at 110 kilometres per hour for 3.5 hours? We have distance is speed times time. So if we were using the formula, we'd do distance is speed times time. If we were using the rates method though, we'd write the information we were given as a rate. 110 kilometres in 1 hour. But she's run for 3.5 hours. 3.5 hours goes underneath and we use that multiplication method. How did I get from 1 to 3.5? I did times by 3.5. So I times by 3.5 here as well. Grab your calculator, 110 times 3.5. That was 385 kilometres in 3.5 hours. So here's the rates method. If you wanted the formula, you'd just write the formula, do 110 times 3.5 and get your answer. It would give you the same answer either way. How long did it take Trin to cover 800 metres if she was running at 3 metres per second? Well, it's a how long question, so that's time. If we wanted to use the formula, that's time equals distance divided by speed. If we wanted to use the rates method, you'd say 3 metres in 1 second, and I need to do 800 metres. So you'd work out, what did I times 3 by to get 800? That's really hard. So you use the trick where you divide back. 800 divided by 3, 266.67. Wow. This is times 266.67. So I've got to do times 266.67 over here, but 1 times that is 266.67 seconds. Let's check that we get the same answer here. Distance divided by speed, 800 metres divided by 3 metres per second. Well, we just did that. 800 divided by 3. There's our answer, and the time, I was in metres and seconds, so the time's going to be in seconds. So either method gives me the same answer. Either method is fine. It's whichever one works for you. Now this would be a bit of a silly answer if I gave an answer in like, I did 266.67 seconds. So we might want to change that to minutes. Seconds to minutes, I'd divide by 60. There we go, 4.4 minutes. And if I wanted to change that 0.4 minutes back to seconds, I could just take that out and times it. So I could say 4 minutes, and this 0.4 minutes, 0.4 back times by 60, that's 24 seconds. So you've got a couple of different ways to put your answer there, depending on which is most sensible.